Hello, second grade. It's Mr. Bouch again with another Esti-Mystery. Today is the return of the erasers. Sounds like a scary movie, doesn't it? Okay, let's take a look at our picture here and our directions. I'm not going to read through the entire thing. I think we know the drill by now. But let's take a look at this mug, cup, and how many pencil tip erasers do you think are in there? Now, this looks a little different than yesterday's because remember the vase was wide at the top, got thinner in the middle, and then got wider at the bottom. This one is wider at the top and just gradually gets thinner as it goes down, like most or many cups do. And take a look at the die there. You'll see the numbers 1, 2, and 4 are included. So I'm sure that'll be a factor when we get through our clues. So let's take a look and see what our first clue is. Oh, and I forgot to tell you what my estimate was. Based on this, I'm going to guess it's about 47. All right. Clue number 1. The answer is less than 100, and it's a multiple of 7. Now, I guessed 47. How many of you think that 47 is a multiple of 7? If you said it is, I'm sorry to say that you'd be wrong. Remember, a multiple of 7 means that it's any number that can be added or counted by 7. So 7, 14, 21, and going on. So if it's a multiple of 7, that means that 47 doesn't work. I'm going to change mine to 49 because 7 sevens is 49. All right, let's take a look at clue number 2. The answer does not include the digit 7. Well, there you go. That helps. So it's a multiple of 7 and it can include the digit 7. So 77 wouldn't work, for example, because it is a multiple of 7, but it includes the digit 7, so you can't use that one. All right. It does not include the digit 4. Well, that really puts a damper on my plan here. So it can't be 49. I'm going to go lower now. Oh, you know what? No, I'm going to go higher, I think. I'm going to go to the next multiple of 7 after 49, and that's 56. 7 times 8 is 56. All right, moving on to clue number 4. It's an odd number. Oh, I'm off again. 56 is an even number, so I can't use that. So what do you think? So it's less than 100. It's a multiple of 7. It can include the digit 7. It does not include the digit 4. And the answer is an odd number. So I'm going to go down quite a bit. I'm actually going to change mine down to 35, which is 5 sevens is 35. So what do you think? Do you think you have the answer? Did you have to make a change, or do you have the same number that you first guessed? Maybe you have 5 guesses, like I had to. I had to change it every time. That's okay. That's the point of the game. All right, so let's take a look here. Are you ready for the reveal? All right, let's take a look. 91? Oh my gosh. I'm way off. Okay, here's a little extra credit for you. How many sevens can fit into 91? That's a tricky one. Let's see if you can figure that one out. All right. Well, I hope you had a good time during our Esti-Mystery. If you got it the right answer, fantastic. If you didn't, that's okay too. That's the point of the game. Like I said yesterday, it's all about learning from what you know, learning from what you're finding out, and learning from your mistakes. All right. I hope you have a great day. Enjoy the math lesson, and I'll be talking to you soon. All right. Bye-bye.